Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Jimmy, and this is Patriots Club. So we tried to use the miter saw earlier today, and we ran into a little bit of an issue. So we are going to go ahead and try to diagnose what this issue is. Come around. So we went to run it, and that is what we have. So there's going to be a few things that we are going to do. First off, make sure your power is unplugged. Let's turn miter saw. Now, to be 100% transparent with you, I have already taken this apart. I have already figured out what the issue is. But when I tried to look it up on YouTube, I could not find anybody that was actually showing the issues or how to fix the problems that they were having with their unit. So I am here to do that for you. You're going to need a 5/32 Allen wrench. I'm going to go ahead and loosen up these bolts right here. And then you can use a screwdriver. Okay. Make sure those screws either stay in the clip so you can take them out, put them somewhere safe. Don't want to end up losing them somehow. Take that off. And put these bolts right here into the tray. So when I took it apart, a bunch of the belt came out, fell out. And we ended up with this shredded up all over the place, and that's going to be the drive belt. So this is the motor, drives the belt, drives the saw blade. We went ahead and ordered these online, so within the next week or so, we'll get these in, and we'll do the replacement. We'll put it all back together and see if it works. If it works and we don't have any other issues, I'll let you know. All right, thanks. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook. Thank you. Have a great night.